Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we can discuss the essential labor acts that HR professionals need to be aware of while recruiting and how Posh compliance is crucial to creating a safe and inclusive workplace. What to cover in this section: brief introduction to the topics, labor acts, Posh and recruitment. Why HR professionals need to be up to date with labor acts and Posh compliances. Now we can go to understand about labor acts. As an HR professional, understanding various labor acts is vital to ensuring legal compliance and employer rights during recruitment process. Here, key points to cover. Key labor acts in India: the Factories Act 1948, the Shops and Establishment Act, the Minimum Wages Act 1948, the Payments of Gratuity Act 1972, the Employees Provident Funds and Miscellaneous Provisions Act 1952. And now we can understand what is the importance of adhering to those acts, ensuring fair wages, working hours, and safety to employees, to providing statutory benefits such as Provident Fund, gratuity, etc., to compliance to avoid penalties and legal issues. However, those acts relate to recruitment, ensuring proper documentation and payment for employees, screening candidates in line with the legal provisions. If you have any doubts on these topics, please comment in the comment section. Then I can cover the same topic as soon as possible in the next video. I hope this video is useful to all the HR professionals. Please give us one like, share, comment and subscribe for more informative videos. Thank you friends.